Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue chapter 2. Today's topic is soil resources. Soil is the most important resource. We all are directly or indirectly dependent on soil for food and number of other necessities. How can we define soil? Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface which support vegetation. If no soil means no vegetation at all. Now, how is the soil formed? Soil is formed of weathered rocks and organic matter. Now, what is meant by weathered rocks? Weathered rocks are the broken rocks. How do the rocks break? The main cause of breaking down of rocks or weathering of rocks is the changes in temperatures. Whenever there is a fluctuation in temperature, means the temperature rising and lowering down, because of that the rocks starts breaking down. There are other factors also which helps in the breaking down of rocks. These factors are wind, water, decomposition of organic matter and human activities. So this rock gets converted into fragments and then organic matter also get mixed with that broken pieces of rocks. And then when with the help of the rivers, when they roll down and till the time they reach to the plains, they gets converted into fine grains and thus soil is formed. All this process is a slow and continuous process and it takes many years just to settle only about 1 centimeter thick layer of soil. So we can say that soil is a mixture of rocks, minerals and organic matter. Now let's discuss what are the different factors that affect soil formation. First of all, parent rock. Now what is meant by parent rock? Parent rock is the rock from which a particular type of soil has been formed. And this parent rock determines the basic characteristics of soil. Now basic characteristics includes what type of color it will be having, what type of chemical property will it have, what type of texture it will have. All these things are determined by parent rock. For example, sand is formed of sandstone, right? Next, relief and nature of slope. Where that soil is found or accumulated. This relief or slope of the land determines the accumulation or gathering of soil. If it is a flat area, then the thick layer of soil will be formed in such type of areas. But if it is a slope, then there will be a thin layer of soil. It is because when the rain comes, the soil gets washed away from there. Next, flora and fauna. Flora refers to the plants of a particular region and fauna refers to the animals of a particular region. So the flora and fauna add organic matter in the soil. And that's why in the forest area, the soil will be always rich in humus or organic matter. This organic matter makes the soil very fertile. Next, climate. Climate plays an important role in the formation of soil. Mainly temperature and rainfall. If any region is having hot and humid climate, say for example equatorial region, where the temperatures are high and heavy rainfall takes place, such type of areas, the speed of soil formation is faster compared to those areas where temperature remains low. Then last of all, time. The thickness of the layer of soil increases with time. As the time passes, soil becomes mature and the thickness, the layers of the soil also increases with the time. Next, soil profile. Soil profile is the vertical sections. You look at the diagrams. 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Vertical means from surface to the parent rock. So vertical section of soil from the surface to the parent rock along with soil horizons. These layers which you can see A, B, C or D, these are the horizons. So this type of layers of soil are termed as the soil profile. So soil profile has mainly 4 layers. The topmost layer, which we call horizon A or topsoil, that is the most essential soil for the growth of plant. This soil is dark in color and this soil will always be rich in the organic matter. Next to horizon A, we have horizon B. Horizon B consists of sand, silt and clay. This horizon is not very rich in humus, but it is very rich in minerals. So both the horizon A and horizon B, both of them form true soil. Moving to the next. Third part is the rock fragments. So the formation of the true soil begin in the horizon C, that is consist of rock fragments, and last of all at the bottom the parent rock, the big boulders which helps in the soil formation. So in total there are 4 horizons. First topsoil, A horizon, then subsoil, B horizon, then rock fragments, C horizon, and parent rock, D horizon. That's all in today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.